guys, July 6, 2020. Just when I got a call for a garbage disposal that's not working. She wants me to go by there and replace it. And I told her, well, let me go by there and see what's going on with it. Sometimes I can free them up and get them working again. She said she had dropped something down in there, so she just said something that was some kind of piece of plastic that she dropped down in there. And it don't seem to be working now, from what she said. So we're gonna go over there and see if we could either free it up for her or run out and get another one and replace it. It's like one of those. It's always a mystery job. You never know what you're gonna find. So you do the best you can. You can fix it for the customer, you fix it. If you gotta replace it, you replace it. I mean, kind of how I outlook things over. I just do the best I can. If I can fix something and it's still got some more life to it, we let it run. We let it live. Let it live another day. We'll try to get you some shots when I get there if it's something interesting. Garbage disposal key. Let's try it. Definitely something in there. Plastic. Let's see it bouncing around in there. Like glass or something in there. Oh, there it is. I don't know what it is, but